Kashmir apple industry adds a major chunk in making the worldwide annual apple production 25 million tons. Jammu and Kashmir is the largest apple producing state in India, delivering around 12 metric tons every fruit bearing season, which is equal to 71% of national production. Though it is natural, because Jammu and Kashmir is a temperate zone, which means the production of apple is supported by Mother Nature, but it is something to be proud of, because it's not everybody's cup of tea to produce and sustain the apples. The journey from growing to plucking has to be extremely precise and monitored. The moment of harvesting is extremely important for the fruit growers, as it will decide the options that will be available later on for the supply and storage. There are consequences if the fruit is plucked a little too early or a little too late. The apple will be hard, small, and green with little red bloom and thus have ripening deficiencies, or they may become mealy, soft, and very sensitive, giving the fruit growers very less storage options. Both ways, the potential of the industry, the benefits, and the economy will be very less, a loss for consumers and the growers. Kashmir apple industry was short of storage options ever since and suffered huge losses due to the unavailability of storage options. The production and the market were both in agreement, but due to the unstable conditions of the valley, if the transport of the apple needed to be delayed, it affected the fruit adversely, till it no longer stayed fresh and consumable. The CA technology refers to the controlled atmosphere or ultra-low oxygen. The temperature, pressure, as well as the level of oxygen can be maintained as per the requirement of the product. The decay of the fruit happens because of the breathing and the lack of nutrition. So if the level of oxygen is lowered, its breathing is reduced, which delays the decay and can keep the fruit fresh. The combination of refrigeration and ULO applied in a gas-proof chamber guarantees up to 8 months of storage. The CA technology has been used by the worldwide population of fruit and vegetable growers since 40 years, but somehow was shyly introduced to the state apart from being late. Mr. Sanjay Gupta, founder of InfraCool, visited the valley in October 2000 for the first time to interact with the stakeholders of fruit growing and educating them about the CA, controlled atmosphere. He visited every 3 months to interact and educate with the population associated with fruit growing. It was only after 4 years in 2004 that his continuous efforts yielded fruit, and the responsibility of establishing first cold storage house was granted to InfraCool by Mr. Altaf Bukhari of FIL Industries Limited Cold Chain Project. The same year, the first project was completed.
We being the pioneers in the CA storage business, we set up first CA store in the valley with a capacity of around 2,000 metric tons. And it was started up for a trial project, and once it picked up as an expansion, we set up this store in the year 2008, which has a capacity of around 5,000 metric tons. So a total capacity of around 6,000 to 7,000 metric tons we have for storage of apples. We have both facilities, controlled atmosphere storage and normal cooling also. These stores were set up with technical support from InfraCool, which is a Gurgaon, Delhi-based company.
Despite the benefits of the cold storage, the development was very slow. In 2008 and 2013, 2 more projects got completed with a maximum storage capacity of 7,000 metric tons and 5,000 metric tons respectively. However, in 2008, in spite of curfews in the valley, the project was commissioned ahead of apple season in October. The development was definitely at a turtle's pace, but the persistence and consistency was also present for sure. The efforts were never given up. A remarkable feat for InfraCool was in year 2014. Despite the devastating floods in the valley, a project for Kashmir premium apple was completed, though the valley was submerged and it was almost impossible to move from one place to another. Infracool managed to aim at the future, knowing the valley will rise again. The flowers will blossom and the fruits will grow again, and that will be the time when the storage will be needed and it will be there to serve its purpose.
The results of the store are exceptionally well thanks to Infracool, which has been helping us in terms of having the servicing done at the right time and the kind of servicing that is required year-on-year basis. We've been associated with Infracool since 2012, and we hope that it continues the good work, and we're really proud to be associated with Infracool.
When the floods didn't stop Infracool from establishing cold storages, what else could have? The commissioning and completion of more and more projects at a faster pace took place.
Infracool as a company has been our learning partner for the CH storage technology. When we started back in 2009, we set up the technology, but since then for the Indian market it was a new thing, and we have been able to work closely with Infracool and develop new protocols for storage and better quality of fruit and new efficient designs for storage of fruit. Infracool has been not only been supportive in terms of technology part, but they have also tried to work on the operations part to help us serve our growers better.
The project Peaks Agro was commissioned in 2016 and was completed in 2017, followed by North Fresh in 2018, dedicated to the north side. The establishment is in Patan and has a storage capacity of 5,000 metric tons.
हमने इंफ्राकूल से इसलिए अपना सी स्टोर बनाया क्योंकि इंफ्राकूल स्पेशलाइज्ड है सी स्टोर्स बनाने में, और जो उनका रिजल्ट्स है वो बेस्ट है एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंपनीज।
आज की डेट में हमारे जो ग्रोवर हैं वो अपना जो एप्पल है वो स्टोर करते हैं एक निमिलर रेट्स पे, बहुत कम रेट्स पे, कि जितना अगर आज हम देखें जो हमारी गाड़ियां जो हैं जितना फेयर उनको लगता है आज की डेट में 200 रुपये पेटी, उतना ही उनकी कास्ट बनती है कोल्ड स्टोर में एप्पल रखने का 3-4 महीने का। और उस मार्च में जो अपना स्टोर अपना जो एप्पल बेचते हैं वो डबल नहीं ट्रिपल कास्ट पे बेचते हैं।
हम जो साल भर बगीचों में अपना काम करते हैं और वो फ़ायदा हमें या वो रेट हमें बाग में नहीं मिलते हैं कि जब हम सेब उतारते हैं, लेकिन जब हम स्टोर में माल रखते हैं मार्च में हमें उससे ज़्यादा या उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा मिलता है, यानी कि मुकाबले आज हमें रेट मिलती है अपने बगीचों में। ये पहला फ़ायदा है। दूसरा फ़ायदा यह है कि आज अगर हम बाग में काम करते हैं, दिन में अगर हम 100 ही क्रेट उतारते हैं तो शाम को स्टोर हो जाता है, यानी हमें अपनी जगह ये सेटिस्फेक्शन रहती है कि हमारा माल जो है बिल्कुल महफूज है। उसके बरकस अगर हम माल को अपने घर में रखेंगे तो ये तकरीबन 2 महीने 2.5 महीने वहाँ पे पड़ा रहेगा। इसकी जो अपनी शाइन है, इसकी जो अपना टेम्परेचर है वो बिल्कुल बराबर नहीं रहता है 3 महीनों के लिए। लेकिन इसके बरकस जब हम स्टोर में माल डालते हैं, हम जिस प्रेशर से, जिस एवरेज से, जिस टेम्परेचर से अपने बागों में माल नीचे उतारते हैं, वही टेम्परेचर हमें मार्च में भी मिलता है। और आज जो हमें पैसा मिलता है मार्केट में वो बहुत कम है, लेकिन जब हम मार्च में माल बेचते हैं तो हमें बहुत सारा पैसा आता है।
जब हमने 3 महीने के बाद यहाँ से खोला है चेम्बर तो मुझे लगा कि मैंने पहचाना ही नहीं अपना माल, ऐसा लगा कि मुझे कि ये उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा है जैसे मैंने जब मैंने इसको यहाँ स्टोर किया है।
और जो अभी ब्रांड इमेज पहले ख़राब थी कश्मीर एप्पल की, जब कोल्ड स्टोर आने के बाद एक ब्रांड इमेज जो है वो बहुत बढ़िया बनी हुई है। और हमें अभी दिन की 5-5, 6-6 गाड़ियों की डिमांड बेंगलोर से, बम्बे से, हैदराबाद से पर डे हमारे पास आ रही है, क्योंकि जो लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं पूरा साल अपने आर्चर्ड्स को, और उनके लिए एक बेनिफिट है और वही पैसा वो दोबारा यूटिलाइज करेंगे अपने आर्चर्ड को बढ़ाने के लिए। वो हमारे कश्मीर के लिए और उन आर्चर्ड के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है और एक बहुत ही हेल्थी प्रोसेस है।
अभी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में सी स्टोर्स की बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट है, और अभी जो स्टोर्स यहाँ बेसिकली प्रेजेंट है वो भी 10% प्रोड्यूस को भी कवर नहीं करते हैं। जो लोग सी स्टोर में इंटरेस्टेड है उनको हम रेकमेंड करेंगे कि वो सी स्टोर्स इस्टेब्लिश करें और इंफ्राकूल से बनाए, क्योंकि इंफ्राकूल बहुत अच्छे सी स्टोर्स बनाते हैं।
Infracool is not only supporting the fruit growers in the valley, but was already serving nationwide. During the same period, while Infracool was completing cold storages project in the valley, they were also setting up the same in Himachal and Uttarakhand. Infracool is working hands in hand with renowned Tiger Warehousing and established Triple S Agro, Suri Agro Fresh, and FHEL with a storage capacity of 12,000 metric tons, the largest storage house then. The names of the projects completed under the supervision of Infracool in Himachal Pradesh are HIM Fresh Produce in Guma, 4 other which were completed by the Infracool for HPMC, Horticulture Produce Marketing and Processing Corporation are in Jarol, Tikar, Audi and Roru. Infracool has also completed the Harshal project for the Uttarakhand Horticulture Board. Infracool is relentlessly moving ahead with consistency and helping the fruit growers to store their fruit, so that the hard work, investments, efforts and the hopes are not wasted, but given enough time to flourish and fulfill.